Let's also talk about now BJP leader and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. Just before the elections, was he offered the post? As far as what he is to be believed to say, that clearly seems to have happened in this case. Speaking at an event in Nagpur, Nitin Gadkari has claimed that he was approached by a senior politician from the opposition ahead of the general elections with a proposition to support him as the PM candidate. Without disclosing the name of the leader, Gadkari said that he declined the offer as it was not in sync with either his ambitions nor his convictions.
एक अशीच अचानक घटना, मी नाव नाही सांगत कोणाचं. ते म्हणाले की इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम ए प्राईम मिनिस्टर वी विल सपोर्ट यू. म्हणलं वाय यू शुड सपोर्ट मी अँड वाय आय शुड टेक युअर सपोर्ट. टू बिकम ए प्राईम मिनिस्टर इज नॉट एम इन माय लाइफ. I am loyal to my conviction and my organization. I am not going to compromise for any post because my conviction ये मेरे लिए सर्वोपरि है. कभी ना कभी मुझे लगता है कि ये जो कन्विक्शन है यही हमारी भारतीय लोकतंत्र की सबसे बड़ी ताकत है.
Now, predictably, the revelation that has set the cat amongst the pigeons with doesn't mean that the opposition was aware of the dearth of PM face worthy candidates in its own ranks, or was it looking for a compromise candidate, or were they trying to fish in troubled waters? Were to adopt even when it comes to a divide and rule policy within the BJP, as the BJP has been also talking about all of these doubts within the opposition camp.
जे सरकारमध्ये बसून सध्याच्या या देशातल्या मूल्यांची तडजोड करतायत, लोकशाही असेल, स्वातंत्र्य असेल, न्यायपालिका असेल, तो एक राष्ट्रीय अपराध आहे असं मी मानतो. आणि नितीन गडकरी या सगळ्याच्या विरुद्ध सातत्याने बोलत राहिले, आवाज उठवत राहिले, आपल्या भूमिका मांडत राहिले. म्हणून जर त्यांना कोणी विरोधी पक्षाच्या प्रमुख नेत्यानं, ज्या नेत्याला ते फार मानतात, त्यांनी जर हा त्यांना काही सल्ला दिला असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये फार पीड़ा होण्याचं कारण नाही कोणाला.
गडकरी साहब ने अभी तक पिछले 10 सालों के अंदर नरेंद्र मोदी से ज्यादा काम किया है. गडकरी साहब का कमिटमेंट सिर्फ पार्टी के साथ है क्या, देश के साथ नहीं है? अगर उनका कमिटमेंट देश के साथ हो तो उन्हें प्रधानमंत्री बनना चाहिए बीजेपी का. वो नरेंद्र मोदी से ज्यादा बेहतर प्रधानमंत्री होंगे.
देखिए, विपक्ष की एक नीति बन गई है, झूठ बोलो राज करो, फूट डालो राज करो. वो हर पार्टी में फूट डालना चाहते हैं. उनको मालूम नहीं है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए नेशन फर्स्ट है, देश पहले है, या पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड है, सारा बड़े वरिष्ठ नेतागण है, बड़ा चिंतन करने के बाद में निर्णय करते हैं. और गडकरी जी भी उसका अंग है. मुझे लगता है कि ये विपक्ष की गलत नीति है, जो चाहते थे कि भाई इनमें फूट डाल दो और किसी प्रकार से अपना लाभ उठा लो, जिस प्रकार से आज देखा जाता है.
और नितीनजी सोडून द्या भाजपा, राहा उभे, आम्ही महाविकास आघाडीकडनं तुम्हाला निवडून आणतो. दाखवा महाराष्ट्राचं पाणी, दाखवा महाराष्ट्राची धमक दाखवा. नितीन गडकरीने जाहीर सांगतोय, द्या राजीनामा द्या, आम्ही तुम्हाला महाविकास आघाडीकडनं निवडून आणतो.
आमची विनंती नितीन गडकरी साहेबांना विनंती आहे, तुम्ही पाणी दाखवा मराठी माणसाचं. कशाला घाबरता त्याला? तुम्ही आवाज द्या, इंडिया मध्ये या. तुम्हाला मंत्र केल्याशिवाय आम्ही फक्त बसणार नाही.
Pragya is with us right now. Pragya, good morning. Interestingly, when we talk about Nitin Gadkari, none of them in the opposition leaders who are speaking on the issue have denied the claims. In fact, they were all praising Nitin Gadkari.
I would say that means that this incident actually happened, and why would Nitin Gadkari lie about such an incident? He was sharing his experience ahead of Lok Sabha election 2024, and he was also sharing his experiences in politics while he was commenting on the ethics in journalism and politics. This is where this incident came from. He was saying that there is ethics in politics and journalism and we should abide by it, like I did when someone approached from the opposition and said that they will support my candidature as prime ministerial candidate. Obviously there were fissures among the parties, there were fissures among the opposition as well, but opposition was looking at an opportunity where they could create some kind of fissures within the ranks of the BJP as well. And this is also their intention, it seems right now, when they are commenting on this particular incident that has been narrated by Union Minister Mr. Nitin Gadkari. In fact, most of the opposition leaders are still open to it and are still saying that he is a better Prime Minister. Obviously, the comment here is not about Mr. Nitin Gadkari being the better Prime Ministerial candidate, but it's a comment on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As we all know that opposition is quite, scared.
Well, was
and
there
in
no one
fact
to take on Prime Minister Modi directly within the ranks of the opposition? That's the big question. However, this big revelation that has now been made by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari himself. Pragya, thank you very much for the moment. We'll be back after a short break.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free to think big and achieve bigger. Towards a future made perfect and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.